Welcome everyone to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo in 1 minute on Canva. So just watch and follow this video till the end. First, open Canva in your browser and click here on create. So after that, go to custom size and write this size in the width and also in the height 180. So after that, choose a unity pixel and click create new design. So after that, this is your background. So what I should do right now, I would just go to template and I will write logo. After that, I will find mini logo. I would write some specific things. For example, I want black with the color black. It's going to show me some logo with color black. I will just choose one, for example this one, and I will edit it. I will edit it here and also the name here. I will change it to another one, for example this one. I will make some changes. And that's all, guys. I make a logo in 1 minute on Canva. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.